In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use story points in Jira, a critical tool for managing your agile projects with efficiency and precision. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to optimize your team's workflow, understanding how to set up and manage story points can significantly enhance your project's success. Let's start by enabling story points in your project. First, we need to dive into your project settings. This is your control center, where you can tailor various features for your specific needs. Head over to the project settings and navigate to features. Here you'll find various aspects that can be customized per your workflow requirements. Once in features, look for the estimation feature. It's crucial to toggle this feature on as it enables you to start utilizing story points for your project estimations. If it's already enabled, fantastic. If not, a quick toggle of the switch will activate it. With the estimation feature on, make sure the option for story points is specifically selected. This ensures that your team can work with quantitative measures that align with your project goals. Assigning story points to issues is the next step, and it's here that your project truly begins to take shape. Navigate to the backlog where you can view all your issues at a glance. Once there, select an issue that requires estimation. This is the point where your estimation skills come into play. Locate the story points field within the issue's details. This is where you'll enter your estimation using numerical values. It's common to use values based on the Fibonacci sequence, numbers like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, or 13, as they reflect an increasingly exponential difficulty or effort required. The Fibonacci sequence is particularly popular because it naturally maps to levels of uncertainty and complexity, which are integral to many project scenarios. After assigning story points, it's crucial to monitor your progress and make informed adjustments. Navigate to the reports section and check out the sprint burn down chart. This chart is an invaluable resource, offering a visual representation of how your team's performance aligns with planned objectives over time. By consistently tracking the completed versus planned story points, you gain real-time insights into your team's productivity and can adjust future sprints accordingly. This feedback loop is central to agile methodologies, promoting continuous improvement and adaptability. In summary, the key to mastering story points in Jira lies in its integration into your day-to-day project management. With practice, these steps will become second nature, empowering your team to deliver on projects more efficiently and effectively. Now that you've been equipped with this knowledge, it's time to apply it and watch your team thrive.